Hello and welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to start off by showing you a finished yogurt product. This is the coconut yogurt. You can see how firm that is now that it's been left in the dehydrator for about 12 hours. Okay. And the next thing that I have is chia seeds. Now I have 3 tablespoons of chia seed and about half a cup of water. So this chia seed is gelled really, really thick. Can you see how thick that is? The reason that I have the chia seed gelled that thick is because I'm actually going to make a chia seed and yogurt breakfast. This is one of my son's favorites. My son's actually quite a bit on the skinny side, so I like to give him items that are full of calories, and this is a good way to do it. And the chia seeds give him a lot of energy, which is really good. And the probiotics are really good for gut function, and that would be in the yogurt. So one of the really nice things about this dish, and a lot of people ask me about it, is how I made the yin yang symbol. So that's what I'm going to do in this video, because we're only going to use 2 items here, and we just want to make a nice fancy bowl or dish. So I'm going to start off with just putting in the majority of the chia seeds. I'm going to leave a little bit in the bowl. I'm actually going to need another spoon. And I just start off by putting coconut on one side and the chia seeds on the other. So what I've got here is I've got a lot more coconut yogurt on this side. So that's going to be my big side, and then I'm going to scoop around the tail. And then I'm going to push that down there. And we're going to make a nice big circle here and bring this one down around. Just takes a little bit of manipulating this, but if you're not in a hurry, this is really nice to do. Oops. Can kind of give you a nice little Zen morning. Here we go. And then with the yogurt, just going to make sure that's nice and round. And smooth. Right, there we go. And that's okay with the little dollop that I have right there, because that's where I'm going to put the circle. And for the second circle, sometimes it's just a little bit easier if you thin out the chia seed. But otherwise, you can get a nice little circle there. And there you have it. And that's Morgan's chia and yogurt breakfast.